Hey, it's another great day in Oklahoma. We are on Route 66, right here. We just left the beautiful town of Veneta. We're headed out to Chelsea, going westbound. And our first stop is going to be right along the Veterans Bridge. We have a historical marker. This is the Veterans Bridge. We're going to cross over here at Pryor Creek. And up here we have two little sites, one on the left and one on the right. Hey, our first stop in Chelsea, right over the bridge, is a famous Chelsea garage. It's called the Car-rage for your car. Got a little cool, I'm not sure what this, Empire truck rental. Looks like it's almost part of a train. Oh, big old metal rods here. Car-rage and weather vane up there, looks like. A flatbed Ford. Look at this thing. It's got a service bay here. Dr. Bob's Auto Clinic. This place looks great. Got another service bay here at the Car-rage. It's got this beautiful gabled roof. Look at all those roots coming down. Airstream trailer. Anyway, there's supposed to be a sign on the corner. Not here anymore though. There we go. That's our sign. Right there. At the Car-rage. From the Car-rage, Chelsea Motel, head back over Veterans Bridge, follow the historic marker signs, turn left into here. We got this beautiful, beautiful, iconic bridge. Here we have the historic Pryor Creek Bridge. All these little information monuments here for you. So this used to be the original 1926 alignment until they built the Veterans Bridge to bypass it. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. Built in 1926, used until 1932 when the new road opened up. It's 123 feet long, 19 feet wide. It's really, really narrow. It's got a single span. It's a modified Pratt through truss bridge. Be quiet. Beautiful. Now that felt really, really cool. I got goosebumps there. Anyway, you head down Route 66 here, 1926, and you hang a left at a street, I think it's called Wilson. Heads into town, look at some cool stuff out here. Here we have another cute little bridge over a creek. And I said Wilson Street, it's really Willow Street, where you make a left on to get into town. So the road comes right out here, and it realigns here and meets up at the 1932 Route 66. This is the Chelsea Motel at Walnut and First Street. This guy's listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Opened between 1936 and 1939. It's gone through several owners and closed for good in 1976. Little mom and pop motel. Changed hands a lot during the 30-day history of our Chelsea Motel. Look at this beautiful neon sign. I'm sure there was a neon arrow down here before, maybe above. That was this little wooden sign with some blue paint. It's a simple rectangular building, about 75 feet long, 16 feet wide. It's got 6 units here, all numbered for us. Built with this wood material. It's kind of falling apart. And it's a super iconic motel. right on the other side of the Pryor Creek Bridge, headed into town. I can't really see much in there, but it's there. Cool, we're gonna head into town right out here. We're gonna hang it right here at 6th Street. And at the corner, we're gonna find a really cool pharmacy. We're gonna park and walk around. There we are, and then 6th Street will match up with the 1932 alignment of Route 66. We're gonna park right up here at the pharmacy on our left. Here we have our 1932 alignment of Route 66 in Chelsea. Little memorial here to Admiral Jocko Clark Trailway. Park at the Chelsea pharmacy here. There's a lot of cool stuff to see. This is really an old gas station at one time in a garage. The train depot was located on the southwest corner, which is over here on the other side of this little underpass. We want to look at the directional sign here. Little directional and distance arrows. Chelsea, Route 66. You are here at Chelsea's Pedestrian Underpass. You visit the totem poles, the Coleman Theater, the Catoosa Blue Whale, Afton, all these cool places on Route 66. It's called the Pedestrian Underpass Murals down here. Watch your step. You bring a pen, you sign your autograph on one of the walls that you visited here. Down in the murals. See all these guys here? You just kind of ride on it. It's cool. G. Roy was here. Killboy was here. All sorts of cool things. Just be respectful. Look at all these cool murals. The Frisco Depot. Indian Territory. Oklahoma. Old downtown district here. Oklahoma first oil well. Wow. Anyway, it was the first oil well in all of Oklahoma. Tells a little bit of a history here. Beautiful Phillips Station. It's the Mother Road. John Steinbeck. Grapes of Wrath. We just crossed over the Pryor Creek Bridge. More scenes of Chelsea in 1889. It's the Sears house. End of the Trail of Tears, where the natives were forced out of their land in 1830 by Andrew Jackson. Chelsea Motel, we looked at that already. Big Cattle Drive. And finally, Route 66. That cool little fast engine there. Anyway, sign your name if you want to. Everybody else does. Let's see what's on the other side. Up here. Very, very cool. So the train station depot, I believe, was right on this site right here on the southwest side of Route 66. That little, I'm sure what they're doing in there. That's just soil, or mill, or grain. Oh, it's feed. It's called the hometown feed for your cattle. We're gonna head out here, check out some cool buildings. Here we have Main Street Farmers Market. Open Saturdays. Welcome to Chelsea, home of Oklahoma's first oil well. And all this is historic downtown Chelsea. It's not on Route 66. It's on 6th Street down here, but I'll show you two buildings. I zoom in on there. There's an old Rexall drug? Look at that. Who's seen a Rexall drug in the last 50 years? There's a Coke mural. And that yellow building right there, that's the Chelsea Reporter building, built in 1896. It's the oldest business in Chelsea, one of the oldest newspapers in the state. So we're not going to go down there because it's not really part of Route 66. But it's cool little buildings. Want to take some time, look at it. We're going to head back this way, Route 66. We're going to hang a right and then turn right at 10th Street. Look at another cool place. Hey, here we got the BNSF coming through Chelsea. We're on 6th Street and we're headed southbound on a Walnut, which is our Route 66 here, Mother Road Medicines. It's like a little herb shop now, special little herbs. So we're gonna head down to 10th Street, check out this cool place called the Mail Order Building. So we're on 10th Street here, going over the railroad tracks. This little tour is not really part of Route 66, but it's a really cool house I got to show you up here on the corner, right here on the left. This house here on Olive Street, it's listed in the National Register of Historic Places. Built in 1912. It's what's called a mail order building. So the owner, he bought it from a Sears store in Chicago in 1911. The model is a Sears Modern Home number 146. So it's shipped out here by train and then assembled here. It's a 2.5-story home constructed with horizontal wooden boards on a concrete block foundation. You know, you mail that guy from Chicago and you build him up here. Measures 30 feet by 40 feet. He's topped off by that intersecting gabled roof. So I thought that I would share that with you because it's a pretty interesting little factoid out here in Chelsea. All right, we can continue down. Hop on Route 66. Then continue our tour down to the little town of Claremore in Oklahoma. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked that video. Bye.